You've been doing this for a long time. You didn't always have access to live data from the vehicle because we didn't have the networks when this competition was first being run. What difference has that made in terms of the performance of the vehicle and how you race it?
Yeah, look, it's huge. My background's actually back in Formula One motorsport. 30 years working in Formula One, so I've seen the shift and advancement of technology there, and it's very similar with what Sunswift Racing does in the Bridgestone World Solar Challenge. Those days when we were very light on technology, and today where it's more enriching. And the same in Formula One, and the benefits seen in Formula One are the same benefits that we see here, going from analog to digital, I suppose. Um, and what we have now, we're taking the guesswork out of what we're doing. But there were just things that we're able to do today that we just couldn't even dream of doing. So, the accuracy and knowledge we have around what we're doing to the second is just incredible. So the benefit is being able to make those accurate, calculated, scientific decisions today rather than guessing years ago.
You're right at the forefront of what people are calling Industry 4.0 with a lot of this technology which you're proofing out here. How did the car run this year? Has it been going well?
It's great. It's great. We had ultimate success back in 2023, and we won the World Solar Challenge. Not quite as successful in 2025. A few little hitches along the way. Look, it is a race of attrition, not just actually for the technology, but also for the team as well. It's called a challenge for a very good reason, because it is a challenge. It's not supposed to be easy, and it's lots of people falter along the way. So as much as it's having that amazing technology, it's amazing team as well to support that amazing technology. It's taking 25 young people on a journey that they might never experience anything like it in the future.
What makes it so challenging?
Building technology at the forefront. It's trying to stretch the limits of what we're doing. And that's what competition does. Technology is amazing, but when you put it in that intense competition environment, just like any form of motorsport, everybody's trying to push those limits and extract more and more. And I suppose technology that we have, thankfully through Ericsson, is aimed to create that competitive advantage, that point of difference. And if you can create that competitive advantage over your competitors, then it puts you in a much more favorable position. And it's in pretty harsh conditions. The Australian Outback, when the sun's, shining at its very brightest, can be an aggressive place to perform this technology.
How did the collaboration with Ericsson come around?
We were actually working with another technology partner of ours, and we were working on a project, and Ericsson joined us on that particular project. And then, the relationship just blossomed. It was like meeting your future wife, whilst you're having lunch.
Do you ever find that you have to tell the drivers to not to race each other if they see one of their competitors coming along?
I think you could tell them until you were blue in the face, but competition is competition. I think they still see the red mist. But in all fairness, the Bridgestone World Solar Challenge is on public roads, and they don't close the roads for us. So leaving Darwin with 3,025 kilometres ahead of us to Adelaide, it is all on the public roads with the road trains. And in all fairness, not the busiest highway in the world, but still there are other things to contend with, and wildlife and everything else, and fires. It's amazing how quickly those 6 days go.
Yeah,
It's very intense.
yeah. Amazing. Richard, thank you so much for sharing all of this with us today. It's a fantastic, exciting, living project, really. Congratulations. And good
Thank
luck
you.
with it
Thanks
next
so
year.
much.
Cheers.
Brilliant. Cheers, Steve. Thank you.